Hi guys! Oh my gosh! Ang hirap maging maganda today. Like literally, I've been holding this pose for 15 minutes. Tapos may dumaan pa sa likod, si mama, may sinampay. Instant background, sino ka dyang laundry edition. Okay, retry tayo. Chin up, konting tilt. Ganyan! Pero bakit ganon? Parang oily shine instead of glow. Hindi ko na alam kung lighting ba to or pinagpapawisan lang ako sa pressure. Gusto ko lang naman yung effortless look. Yung tipong, I woke up like this. Pero alam natin lahat may 5 filters at 2 ring light involved, di ba? Wait lang, ayan! Perfect shot! Pero teka, bakit naka-half eyes ako? Delete! Hay, eto na. Mas maganda. Ay, bakit sobrang sharp ng ilaw? Parang interrogation room. You know what, never mind. Maglalagay na lang ako ng caption na, too pretty to care. Kasi kahit 100 takes later, at least confident pa rin ako. Kahit pagod na yung phone ko mag-save ng selfies ko.